Experts say using kerosene, firewood and charcoal cooking methods can generate high indoor smoke levels, contributing to high levels of home air pollution. Now, according to the World Health Organization, over 3.8 million people die prematurely each year from illnesses relating to household air pollution, including pneumonia, stroke and lung cancer. However, the Nigerian government says more than 90,000 women are dying annually from cooking with firewood. The government says it is working to educating the people on the health hazards caused by the smoke from cooking with firewood. Details in this report.
With firewood is a daily routine for some women, especially in rural areas in different parts of Africa. For Sahadati, who lives in northern Nigeria, she says firewood is the only source of energy for cooking, despite the health hazards associated with it. She uses kerosene and plastic waste to get the firewood burning, as she and the entire family inhale the blowing smoke.
There are women in this community with some health problems, and when they visit hospitals to be diagnosed, they are told their illness is due to long-term inhalation of smoke while cooking.
About 70% of households in Nigeria depend on charcoal or firewood for cooking, according to the country's Statistics Bureau. The World Health Organization says smoke from the kitchen is a leading cause of death in the country after malaria and HIV/AIDS. Around 90,000 Nigerians die annually as a result of household air pollution, with children being seriously affected, according to UNICEF.
40% of the deaths due to pneumonia are because of air pollution. So we're talking here about big numbers. We are talking about like 70,000 children. They die every year. We as UNICEF, we are supporting the country to expand the network of community health workers. We are working at two levels. One level is to ensure that the government commits to really reduce the number of households that they are cooking indoors, right, and to reduce air pollution. So to that, some laws need to be domesticated at the state level.
The Nigerian government also worries about deforestation caused by cutting trees for firewood, which can worsen the impact of climate change. The smoke from cooking with firewood also have an adverse effect on the environment. The authorities say they are working to sensitize people about such hazards.
We are trying our best as an agency to enlighten people on the dangers of using firewood to cook because of the smoke. But the major challenge is most of those using this method are in rural areas and are living in poverty. They can't even see clean cooking energy, let alone to buy it.
Despite the health hazards, many women will continue to use firewood for cooking due to a lack of accessibility and affordability in Nigeria's rural areas. Many Nigerians, however, believe the government will create policies in the people's lifestyle to mitigate the dangerous effect of cooking with firewood.